Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable your Discord account. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and go to user settings. In the user settings, we need to scroll down to disable your account. Once we disable our account, here we have to enter our password. So now let me just do it. We're going to click disable account, and as you guys can see, our account is deleted. Of course, we can try and log back in, and I'll show you what happens. So here we got it. Now here we have account disabled. You cannot use it while it's disabled. We're going to click restore account, and we have to enter our Discord authentication code. So this is only if you have the multi-factor authentication, but as you guys can see, it went through. This is basically our account back, and that's how you guys can do it. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.